Ntata Rona ya mahodimo. Our Father who art in heaven, lebitso la hao lekelekete. Hallowed be thy name. Hotle muso wa hao, thy kingdom come. That oya hao etwele fati, jwalo kaha etwale hodimo. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Orifega jeno boho bevarona batati lelelelele. Give us this day our daily bread. Jwalo kahare tware la banang le melato rona, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Oh, sekiwari isamuleko, and lead us not into temptation. Kingdom come. That oya hao etwele fati, jwalo kaha etwale hodimo. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven.